I want to talk to you today about Filmora 9. It is, in my opinion, a very easy video editor that can help you if you are new in YouTube or you are new in this area. Now you can write that in Google, and then you can go to the official page, and then you can download the free version. After, if you try it and you like it, you can buy it. Now I'm assuming you have already now downloaded your program. The first thing when you start the program, you will see something like a small box, and then you will see a green box there. You just press it. That tells you that you want to start a new project, so it will bring you to this place. When you are here, now the next thing for you to do is you want to bring maybe your video or your images here so you can work on it. You can either drop your video clip or image or audio here, or click here to import it. Another way is to just come to import here, and then you can import a media file, or you can import a media folder. You can import from a camera. They have many options. You can download the media from Facebook, from Instagram. For this purpose, I would just import my videos or my images. I'm going to use images. I will import them from a media folder. So I just go to the folder and then I import. So now you see I have all my images here. The next thing maybe you want to do is you go to files, because most of the time it's better to save your work. So if you go to files, then you say save project. If you press save project, it takes you there for you to be able to save your project. So I imagine you have saved your project, and now we start working. You can either select these images one by one and bring them here. You can just click on this add project button. There's a plus button here. You can just press it and it just moves it to the timeline, or you can also drag it here if that is easier for you. So if you have all, or if in case you want to bring everything, you can select all the images. So maybe if I want to select all, I select about 3 of these, and then you see when I select, they already came. Or you can also move. If they did not come, you can just pick them and bring them to the timeline here. And then now you want to work on your images. One thing you can do is sometimes your image, you want to cut it, you want to maybe insert music in it, do so many things. The first thing I will show you is, in case we want to work on this image, I want to cut the image, or I want to extend it. If you want to extend it, you just click and then you drag it like this. If it's a video, it's the same. You just do that. This thing here helps you to go up and down. So let's see here. I move all these others. You see, you can move everything you bring to the timeline without any problem with your mouse clicking on the left. And then if I am here and maybe I have this, you can also press with the right mouse and then change the duration. If you want it more, you can adjust it here. You can also do it here like I did. You do like this or like that to extend how long you want it to be. if in case you want, let's look at this. In case you want to cut something, you can either press, you can either press the image here, and then you can, let's see here, this is our image. So I am here. Wherever you want to cut, you bring this thing here to indicate where you want to cut it. It's similar to maybe if you have a ruler and you want to cut something, you put it there and then you cut. So then you go to cut here, and then you see that I've been able to cut my image. So I've cut some parts off. Now if you want to join it back, you can join it again. Another thing you can do is that you can import audio. So they have already audios here. You can, choose whatever you like. If you don't like their music, you can just go here and also do as we did, import. If you go and import a file from a music that you already have. So if in case, let's see here, I have my music. If you choose the music, you put the music here. For example, this music is very long, so I take this away. We have our music here. I prefer to move it here a bit. If the music is here, what you can do is that you can adjust the volume of the music by double clicking it. If you double click it, you can reduce whether it's too loud. If it is too if it isn't too loud, you can use it to regulate the volume of the music. See how it's doing. And then after you let's see here, I've reduced it, and then you press OK. So in case I want to maybe do this thing, let's see how this works. If I should show you how it's working. You see, there's the background, the music is playing, and this music seems to be longer than maybe my thing. So I can just put my ruler here or this thing here and use the scissors to cut this part away, and then I can just press with the right mouse, and then I delete it. If you think, oh, I did a mistake, I did not want to delete, you can just press here to come back. Yeah, and after you've finished everything, you can do, there are many things you can do here, but I'll be doing many videos in case you, for example, another thing maybe I should tell you before I go. If you bring something like another, let's say I brought another picture, or maybe I prefer this picture, take a different picture so you can see what I want to talk about. If I have these two pictures, let's say you see when I play, there's this, we want to have some transition. If you want a transition, they have transition here. If you go here, they have different types of transition. You can play with it. For example, if I want to show you a transition that will be clear for you to see, you just come here and click here and put the transition where you are, and let's have a look at it. When the thing moves, you see it gives us a nice transition to the next one. Now I have a video that talks about if you have multiple, about maybe 100 images, or you have 3 or 10 videos that you want to have transition, how you can do that. But for now, these are some of the things you can do. You can also put a title in case you before your video you want to introduce your whatever you want to say. You can just come to title and choose something, one of the titles here. You can just click the title, you see, when I type it, it's like this, and then you can move the title in front. For example, if you want some title before the video starts or something. Oh, sorry, I have to bring this here for me to see. I forgot to tell you, this thing here helps you when you bring it. Says the same as this starts, and then when you press start, you see you can change the what is in the title. If you double click the title, you see here, you can change it to whatever text you want. If you want it to be the happy, you can just change it. I'll be doing a video on how to make beautiful titles, how to deal with that. I mean, not here, but if you check my other videos soon, I'll talk about how to put titles in details. So now you see I have happy here, and then I can just, yes, you can select any of these, and then you already have something going on for you. I am using images. You can use videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, because I'll be doing more videos about this program and how to use any other, all the things in details, little by little. Thank you. Bye.